Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Yoso unsweetened coconut yogurt. So this was at the grocery store on sale, and check this out here. It is dairy free and vegan, plant-based, vegan, gluten-free, all those things. Now here's the nutrient panel. Pause it if you want to read it. Less than a gram of sugar, and we got here are the ingredients: pure organic coconut, cornstarch, and some non-dairy culture. And let's do a quick taste test. Alright, so I've opened the Yoso coconut yogurt here. Let's do a quick taste test. Got my trusty spoon. There we go. So it tastes like almost regular yogurt without with a subtle coconut flavor. Other than that, you probably wouldn't notice a difference, guys. So definitely check it out if you're looking for an alternative. And if you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.